What's good, YouTube? So today I'm doing every time I make a shot there's a random noise when it goes in, part 2. Thank you guys for all the support on the last video, but before I do that, now we got the lights on, I'm gonna hit a quick 3. But before that, pop up all the comments for all the support you guys been giving me. Thank you for all that support. Thank you for all those nice comments of yours, and I'm gonna hit a 3 real quick. Hey, no cuts, first shot green for you guys.
Oh my God, no way, yeah. Bruh.
Bro, I don't know what it was. I just missed like 10 shots consecutively, bro. I'm gonna take a little break. But before that, show just a get out montage real quick.
I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Oh. Another day, another victory for the OG. What the hell?
Do you know the way? Baba Bowie.
Nope. Stop the cap. Plug.
Skip it up and that up. Thank you for watching and staying till the end. And don't forget to sub if you like this content. Road to 500. See you next upload.